Candid Chips and Bites for Grade 6.
Chapter 1. Peripheral Devices. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that looks and works like an electronic typewriter. There are also additional keys for the function that are available only on the computer. Special keyboards are also available for foreign languages. The keyboard is used to feed the data and instructions into the computer. The keys on the keyboard are like typewriter keys with some additional keys. Whenever a key is pressed on the keyboard, an electronic signal is sent to the CPU, and CPU sends it to the monitor. Mouse. Mouse is a palm-sized pointing device that usually rolls on a small spherical ball and has one or more buttons on the top. Mouse is an input device connected with the computer by a wire that extends from the mouse to the back of the system unit. By rolling the mouse on a flat surface such as a desk or a mouse pad, an image on the screen called a pointer or a mouse cursor moves on the screen. The pointer looks like an arrow or I bar. Whenever the user scrolls the mouse on the mouse pad, the pointer moves on the screen in the direction in which the mouse moves. The mouse also gives instructions to the computer very quickly. To select an option from the screen, click the mouse button by pointing it on the options with the pointer. Joysticks. Joysticks are mainly used for games where the quick movements like forward, backward, and left, right are required.